Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can log into Apple Music on Android. With this process you will be able to use your Apple Music on Android. Now the thing is that even though Apple Music is a specific iPhone application, it is also available on Android. So what you'll need to do is on your Android Play Store, you'll have to open your Play Store and there you will simply just search Apple Music. Now as you can see, I have searched Apple Music, and from here you can just press on the install button and wait for it to complete installation. Now after it has completed installation, you will just open it. Now from here you will just press on continue. Now as you can see right here, if you already have an Apple Music account, you can press sign in. If you don't have an Apple Music account, you want to make one, then you can get 3 months of Apple Music for free, and after that it will cost you money. So you can try it free, or if you already have an account, you can simply just sign in by pressing over here. You'll just add your sign in details or you'll register, and then you will be able to use your Apple Music on Android. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.